Okay, we're looking at indices and the multiplication rule. So here's a really simple question. Simplify 6 squared times 6 cubed. Okay, now we can see that these ones are indexes. We've got a squared and a cubed, and the base of them is the same. The base is this part, the 6 on both of them. It's the same number, 6 and 6. So that means that we can simplify it. Okay, now if we were to expand these first, this would look like 6 times 6, and then this times would be here, and then we've got 6 times 6 times 6. And you can see that it's all times are there, so we can just group them all together. How many 6's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be 6 to the 5. Okay, now there's a shortcut. We could just jump straight from here to here, okay, by realizing the multiplication rule. Well, now let's take our question. I'm going to put it over here, and we've got 6 squared times 6 cubed. Well, the multiplication rule says we just take these two and add them together if the bases are the same. Okay, so we write down our base, and we've got 2 plus 3, so that becomes 6 to the 5. Okay, so when you have a multiplication in the middle, then you add the two indexes if the bases are the same. Let's try it out with a more complicated question. Okay, so here is our more complicated question. We've got simplify 3a squared b times 4a cubed b squared. Wow. Okay, well, let's try it out. There's no pluses or minuses there. All of these ones in between are times. Okay, remember in algebra we drop the times. So let's group them together. We've got a 3. I'm going to use a pen here, this one. 3 and 4. 3 times 4. Okay, so we'll do the numbers first. We've got 12. I'll fix that up. We've got 3 times 4 is 12. And then now let's take a look at our a's. Okay, so we've got a squared and a cubed. Okay, timesing together. Now we know that that's going to be a, and then we add the bases together. 2 plus 3. Okay, let's take a look at our b's. These are b's. We've got 1b and a b squared. So same deal, I'm going to go b. Now remember, 1b by itself is a 1. So it's going to be 1 plus 2. So here we go, we've got 12, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 3. And that's simplified.